I'll Today I will show you how to insert the SIM card in Samsung A55 5G. So for this you're gonna need the pin. The SIM tray is on top of the phone. Just insert the pin. Once the SIM tray has slid out, just remove it, and we notice here you either have the option to use two SIM cards, which goes like this, okay. But otherwise on this side you have the option to use a memory card, to use a micro SD, and use the SIM card on the other side. And if you really need them both, you need two SIM cards and a memory card. You can use eSIM and a physical card, and on this side you use the micro SD. Otherwise, if you think you have enough memory, you just use two SIM cards, two physical SIM cards, and that's it really. It says no service, so I picked up both SIM cards. Should be all fine. Like they picked up SIM1 gift gap, SIM2 Lebara, unknown number, just because it's expired. The SIM card, I haven't topped it up in a while, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.